Even a minor critique can overshadow the several compliments. But what if feedback, even the tough kind, could actually boost your confidence in the long run? Let's begin with it. Separating the feedback from the self-worth. The first step is actually realizing that criticism, even if poorly delivered, is about a specific task or project, not your worth as a person. It's tough but essential to untangle these. Types of feedback discernment is the ultimate key. Constructive and actionable. It focuses on specific areas for improvement paired with potential solutions. This is the goal you want to mine. Vague and unhelpful. Your ideas weren't good. This tells you nothing. Don't take it personally, but don't waste energy on it either. Unfair or hurtful. Sadly, sometimes feedback crosses the line into personal attacks. This is about the giver of the feedback, not you. Digging for the useful bits, an assertive approach. Ask for examples. Can you give me a specific example of what wasn't working in that presentation? Focus on the future. Thank you for the feedback. What are your top suggestions for how I can improve next time? Knowing your limits. It's okay to say, I hear you about the tone of that email, but disrespectful feels too strong. Could we reframe that and focus on making my communications clearer? The confidence paradox, embracing the imperfection. Trying to avoid criticism entirely is a trap. Seeking constant validation signals the insecurity. Confident people welcome feedback, knowing it makes them stronger in the long run. They embrace that growth is messy and involves mistakes. For example, you pitch to a client and dwelling on it only erodes your confidence for the next pitch. Instead, dissect why it did not work. Was it the content, the delivery? Each bit of feedback puts you in a more powerful position next time. Bonus, giving great feedback. Confident people know how to give the feedback that is clear, specific, and focused on improvement. As you develop the skill, you become a force of positivity and growth at work.